Meaning of great ape.
Great ape.
Great ape.
Great ape.
Great ape. Great ape is a term used to describe a group of primates comprising orangutans, gorillas, chimpanzees, bonobos, and humans. These species are distinguished from other primates by their larger size, complex social behavior, and intelligence. They share around 98% of their DNA with humans and are considered our closest living relatives. Unfortunately, many great ape populations are threatened by hunting, habitat destruction, and disease. Conservation efforts include protecting their natural habitats, enforcing anti-poaching laws, and promoting sustainable development. It's crucial that we take action to conserve these amazing creatures before it's too late.